I'm going to add an artificial zoom to this particular clip of video. And I can do that because this video right here is 1280 by 720. It's a little higher resolution by about 50% than the 854 by 480 that you're typically working with in this particular course. You can see over here on the left hand side in the effect controls that the center point is 640 by 360. That means 640 pixels over here is the center and 360 pixels down is the center. And what I want to do is I want to zoom about 150% from this point. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put in a keyframe here for scale and a keyframe here for position. That's our initial keyframe. And now I know where it's going to start, so I need to go to where I want it to end. So I'll move further down the beach here just a little bit, and right there I want that to be fully zoomed in. So it's pretty short, pretty fast to zoom, but we'll do this for now. What I want to do then is I want to put a keyframe in at the end, turns blue, and a keyframe here at the end for the scale. And the scale I want at the end is, I don't know, roughly around 149%. So I can move the slider over here, let's just say, sure, 148%. But this is off center, so I'm going to need to move it down a little bit. That means I need to move it this way, give it a little more headroom. And then I need to move it over here to the left, give it a little more room that way. And I could have actually picked this up and double click over here to get the access to the video itself and then moved it manually, but I wanted you to see how you can actually position this over here. So those keyframes are already set, so if I move back in my timeline, you should see those change all the way back to 100%. So here is what happens as we play through it. It just does a slow, subtle zoom in.